stop before you buy another bottle of expensive all-purpose cleaner. I want you to look at this. This spray kills bacteria, cuts through grease, smells absolutely amazing, and it cost me almost nothing to make. If you're still cleaning your home with chemicals that make you hold your breath, today's Medicinal Monday is going to change your life and save you hundreds of dollars each year. We worry so much about what we put in our bodies, eating organic, avoiding dyes, but what about what we spray around our bodies? Most store-bought cleaners are filled with fragrances, toxins that we breathe in every time we clean. Today, we're ditching the toxins and using what nature gave us. Now, I have a confession. This specific batch of cleaner was born out of a total Tarina moment. I was doing my online order for Sam's Club and I needed oranges. I saw they had navel oranges, so I added them to my cart. But then I saw they had Cara oranges. And if you know, they're pink inside and they're sweeter. They're just like a treat. So I thought, ooh, I want those instead. And I decided to add to cart. Well, when I got home, I realized I forgot to take the navel oranges out of the cart. So I'm currently swimming in oranges. I've eaten them, shared them, and now I'm cleaning with them. But it was a happy accident because it's a perfect time to show you this zero waste hack that saves money and your health all at the same time. Here's how simple it is. Eat the orange, especially those Cara oranges, save the peels, stuff a jar, add vinegar. Then I wait and I let it sit in a dark cupboard for about 2 weeks, which it has been doing. And then I strain it. And what I do is when I strain it, I do about half of the mixture. I do half the mixture. It already smells really good. It smells really orangey. And then I'm gonna mix half of it with filtered water in my cleaner bottle. Now, sometimes if it is still too vinegary smell, I even add a couple drops of orange essential oil, but let me tell you, it doesn't need it. Now, to make it really more disinfectant even, you could add a couple drops of rubbing alcohol to it. But let me tell you, for an all-purpose cleaner, this is all you need, and it works on everything. So let me go ahead here and fill this in my bottle. And this actually makes good gifts too. I have given this to my daughter-in-laws and they like it. So this is how I make it. And it's really easy. It's really good. Okay, now I'm going to add the filtered water. And then if I have extra of the concentrate, I just literally put a lid on it and I will add it when I run out. And as I eat more oranges, I will make more. These I throw down the garbage disposal because it will clean, sanitize, and make my garbage disposal super smelling yummy too. And a pro hack for that garbage disposal, if you throw an ice cube down there, it does like a super scrubby clean. So let's see. Let me mix it up a little bit. Let's do a little. I love citrus. You can do this with limes or lemons if you get those. And it smells amazing. You know, one reason I love simple hacks like this, because keeping a home can be overwhelming, especially when we're struggling with our mental or physical health. When I'm having a high anxiety day or I'm in a depression dip, complex cleaning routines just don't happen. A harsh chemical smell can actually make me feel worse. This gets me thinking about how I can help you more with this. I'm currently brainstorming a list of digital tools I want to create for you this year. I'm thinking of things like easy non-toxic recipe cards so you don't have to search YouTube every time you look for them, low capacity checklist guides on how to stay organized, especially when you're dealing with anxiety and depression, simple calendars to keep the overwhelm away, just encouraging things. But I do need your help. I don't want to make things that you don't want and that you don't need. If these sound like tools that would help you in your daily life, I want to know. I've put a link to my email address in the description below. It is support@trinashumblehomestead.com. Please click that, shoot me an email. Please tell me, yes, Trina, I need the checklist, or let me know what tools you need. I want to build this toolkit with you. So, learning from my orange overload mistake, eat the fruit, keep the peels, and let me know about those guides. I love you guys, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you are loved and be blessed. Bye.